there's too much dumb shit going on in Georgia for me to actually take anything serious. NANI? Dynamite. This story is actually great and sad at the same time, because what we're seeing is what happens when a country does something out of malice but doesn't really think of the process. They just think of what they wanted. So, pregnant, Georgia says the fetus counts as a dependent on your taxes. This is crazy, because this opens the door to a lot of things, and we could get into it, but let's just read it out. Pregnant Georgians can now list their fetus as a dependent on their taxes, their tax returns. Georgia Department of Revenue released a new guidance this week establishing the agency will recognize an unborn child. That is such a weird statement. Recognizing an unborn child with a detectable human heartbeat. So that's under 6 weeks. That's under 6 weeks. Human heartbeat as eligible for Georgia individual income tax dependent exemption. Okay, so there's a few things here. Do unborn fetuses get social security numbers now? What's the name? What if you don't know the gender? What if you pick a girl's name and it comes out to be a boy? Is that fraud? What if you're having a miscarriage? What if you are pregnant in Georgia? Oh my God. What if you're pregnant in Georgia, leave to get an abortion, but they know you're pregnant? Is that murder? Because that baby, that fetus had a social security number. There's so many questions here. I'd love to see the legal bat. Can you put a person on could you be put on child support 9 months earlier? Oh, we got questions. The policy change follows the U.S. Supreme Court decision in June that overturned Roe v. Wade and ended a constitutional right to an abortion. Following that, an appeals court ruled July 20 that Georgia's ban on abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy can become law. Damn. Yeah, that's a lot of questions, but Georgia's put themselves in a bind right here, but not to be defeated, because Georgia collectively, this is why I haven't moved to Georgia yet, because there's too much dumb shit going on in Georgia for me to actually take anything serious. The only civilized thing about Georgia is Atlanta, and you know, our people, we don't know how to act sometimes. But Georgia's not. This ruling and this story about Georgia is going to be defeated by that. In other news.